Welcome back to another video, and today I want to talk about how I am making money with free traffic and how you can be making money online in 2022. Before we get to the video, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, comment below anything you took away from this video, and share this with a friend. So a lot of people want to know how to make money online in 2022. They want to know how to use these platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, etc. And I'm pretty much going to break down with a little bit of training, but I'm going to break down how I am doing this and how I've been doing this, because I gear towards doing free traffic, because people who aren't making money online or who never have, it's one thing for them to come into a program, pay money, and then have to pay for marketing. It's just a lot, and everyone's budget isn't good for that. So we're going to scroll out of here. So first, I want to touch on, you need a vehicle, you need a opportunity, you need a program. That's how you're going to make money online to begin with. I always will recommend the Home Business Academy, specifically because it's set up for duplication. What I mean is, if you're selling a product, service, or any other program out there, it's not too hard. It's not, too difficult to get money to sign people up. What happens and why it's such a bad taste in some people's mouth with these online businesses is they sign people up and those people don't duplicate. They make no money online. So the Home Business Academy is lined up, So there's three core products. So we're going to talk about the two core products. One is the funnel builder, meaning you're going to be able to come in here, have access to a world-renowned website maker. So you can make websites, personal websites, sales pages, landing pages, and there's a whole, let's click on this, there's a whole setup on how to do that, So just because you don't know how to build a website now doesn't mean it isn't important and you can't do it. You see, they have a whole training on everything from making funnels, membership sites. So say you want to do a digital product or a course, say something that has nothing to do with online marketing, you're going to have access to the membership site. So you can literally make a membership site just like you see here, with the drop down buttons. You can put different things, you can add different buttons, you can link to different things, you can have different tabs, just like this site is built with a website builder. And then they have the product that's going to go with what we're talking about today. Free training methods, traffic methods, paid traffic methods. So you're going to learn about Facebook ads, video ads, solo ad training. But like I said, they're going to show you all the free ways to get money. Short form videos such as Reels, TikToks, YouTube ranking, what I'm doing now, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. And you're going to have daily training calls and weekly masterminds where 6- and 7-figure earners are going to come in there and show you what they're doing online. Literally what they're doing online to get more traffic. And in the daily trainings, you can ask, what you're lacking on, what you don't understand. You can have 7-figure earners helping you with that. So that's why I recommend this to start with, as far as you're going to get quality training and you're going to learn how to market. But to get back into how am I making money with free traffic, let's get into some of these platforms. So when it comes to IG, TikTok, even Facebook, I'm leading with video marketing. I'm leading with Reels. I don't really do YouTube shorts, but I can post these as YouTube shorts, but I just don't want to cover my YouTube right now with a whole bunch of shorts. But I'm leading with that. If we scroll down here, I started off doing a lot of talking, mindset, motivation. But what you have to realize is you have to mix the three. You want to mix mindset, and that's motivation, stuff like that, real life, telling your story, hitting on pain points. But then you want to lead with some call to actions, pretty much stuff like this. I'm saying a few things, and then I'm pretty much telling people, hey, do you want to build cash flow, gain wealth, and build empires? But let's get to a better one where I'm putting words on the screen. Don't give up on IG Reels. Your video can go viral weeks later. Stuff to make people want to follow me. Let's get to something that's more income based. Like here, I started a discount business. Could you offer a $21 membership to people that helps them get cash back, pays weekly? Send me a message. And then you want to mix it with proof income results. I don't really post too many income results just because it brings in the wrong people. I post those more on like Facebook, more personal platforms where there's, you know, real people. Everyone has pictures, families, etc. That's where I post those things. But like on TikTok, a lot of that stuff brings people with the wrong intentions. So reels are where I'm really bringing in the leads, the traffic, etc. And I'm doing the same thing on TikTok. I do a little bit of video editing, so you know I do some animation. We just started this. This is our newest marketing hack or strategy, and that's voice memos. No one's doing this. No one's videos are looking like this. You see, you got 200 views, 4 likes, etc. And I'm posting 2 to 5 times a day. You see, you know, TikTok, the viewage is just so low sometimes. You know, here and there I get, you know, some 5,000s and stuff, but most of the time it's a consistency game. That's why I say mindset is everything. On Instagram, you know, I get a little bit better, you know, 2,000, 3,000, 2,000, 2,000, 3,000. You see, I get a little bit better viewage on Instagram. And the great thing about Instagram is these videos can go viral at any moment. So you can post a video now and it might go viral down the line. You know what I'm saying? And I'm doing the same thing on Facebook, but Facebook is a little more personal, you know. So Facebook, I'm building a list on Facebook, meaning I'm adding like-minded people, like-minded marketers. I'm loading up my story, and driving traffic like that. And then one of my biggest money makers, I can't emphasize this enough, is with making money online, is YouTube. YouTube is a little slower game, especially if you have a smaller channel, only got 1,000 subscribers. So my videos don't rank #1 over people with big channels all the time, but it's just a consistency game. And the flip side of YouTube is you build a channel, you can get monetized, so you can end up earning two incomes from one, like the Home Business Academy, and then you'll be getting paid ads from ads. So with YouTube, it's really about picking viral keywords, or keywords that are getting a lot of searches, you know, like how I am making money with free traffic, what qualities you need to be successful in money making, how to earn money with TikTok without making videos, where to start on making money with Instagram, how to start and grow money making YouTube channel. You know, it's kind of incomplete sentence, but that's what someone's typing in. Or, you know, just make money online stuff. Going after those things, you see where I always mix them. How to make money using Google search. This is a company. I do company. Some of my income streams, I post about those. This is like one of those ones for the long term. You know, how to upload on YouTube just to keep the content coming. Best digital products to sell online. And here's a short I made, how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. You see, shorts really don't. It depends. You just gotta keep going at them. But I didn't want them to cover my whole page. And, you know, you see, here's another program, making money online using Google. So, you know, as you get on into these programs and start learning these skills, you'll be able to utilize those skills with these high search keywords. You see, I did a lot of reels down here. A little bit of views. These date back though a while. And just keeping those thumbnails good. These are kind of like loud thumbnails. I kind of like this. I'm kind of steering towards these type of thumbnails in your face. Not too much stuff going on. You know, make sure it says something that's catching people's attention. So YouTube is really my money maker. And once we show you how to optimize it, you know, we have a link. You know, you can click right here and go to my business, or where all my businesses online, etc. I need to change this cover photo. But YouTube is the biggest money maker. It's like one of the top searched on websites in the game. There's people I always think I watch YouTube before I watch shows. So really get on YouTube, and you don't even have to show your face like I'm showing my face. You can do no face YouTube videos. I just like to show my face, you know, for so people know I'm a real person, but also so people don't take my videos and, you know, and try to say it's theirs. So this is how I am making my money with free strategies. I rarely ever do free paid strategies. Sometimes just to, you know, keep the leads coming in, but this is where I put most of my time in. Facebook, you can build a 6-figure income alone just being on there. You know, you just have to be on there for some hours, you know, 3 to 5 hours a day. But really business, eventually, you know, I like to have my business, you know, run itself, but I like being online. I just like it. So I don't mind being online 3 to 5 hours or throughout the day, etc. because I work at my own pace. I'm putting up content that I like, etc. So you can do product reviews as well. So when you're buying like little tools for your business, you can do reviews on those, whether you keep them or you don't. Use your affiliate links. And then even when you're making your videos, you can become affiliate with Amazon and say you're using a certain camera, webcam, or just some products you like using for anything. You can put those in your description as well and drive traffic to those. And to, you know, finish it out, this is just a portion of how I do it. The Home Business Academy breaks this down even more because I can't be on here for 35-50 minutes. I kind of have to break it up, but the Home Business Academy has so much training on how to do everything I'm telling you, and they break it down with in-depth videos. They're not quick videos. They're long videos, and you can get a notebook out. And I'm telling you, once you go through all of this in the premium, you don't have to get the HBA funnel builder if you don't need it. You don't have to get the Financial Literacy Academy, which is more into investment and making money outside of affiliate marketing and stuff. This is you can just get the HBA premium. And if you want to make money online with here, you can, you know, earn $120 commissions. $100, I think it's $100, but $120 for both of them if you purchase both of them. But if you just get the premium HBA, you can earn $100 commissions. I keep saying 120, and residually, you know. So this is a residual product. So it's a monthly subscription. So when you get customers on these monthly subscriptions, as long as the customer stays active, you get paid on that customer over and over. And I don't see why you wouldn't stay active, especially with the funnel builder, because you're going to always want a website or make a website for someone, etc. It just really sells itself. I really don't have to talk much, but thanks for watching this this video. HBA, also known as Home Business Academy, is amazing. I'll be talking about it most likely, you know, every other video, or I'll be leading back to it, because this is where you want to start when you want to make, if you want to make money online, because there's a lot of programs that are not going to show you a lot of stuff, and you're just going to be trying to figure it out. So this is a great place to stay or to start. And I hope you check it out. Link will be in the description. You're going to fill out your name and email. Please fill out a real email so I can send you a free ebook, or you can download the free ebook that comes with it, but so you can get updates on the Home Business Academy and anything I'm doing. And from there, you can grab your ebook, and then you're going to click more info, and it's going to take you into the all-in-one system, which is going to break down everything with HBA. And these strategies I mentioned are in HBA, but subscribe and stay tuned for me to explain more. Have a great day.